M8 on champagne wheels with the frozen white. This is hard to the M4. That one is tough. I really love M2s. That's hard. But this one right here, M2. This one right here, that Silverstone is tough. Like nice and clean.
Okay. We're in like Palm Beach.
That's hard. I'm trying not to get demonetized, so I need all that music to be gone. Two-tone. M5. CS. More. This color, y'all. This color. Let's see if I can make it look nicer. This color is stupid with the carbon skirt, carbon roof. This color, I don't know what color this is. Y'all educate your boy. But this color is tough. Nah, but this is different. Intake is the headlight.
Yo, look at this slick. Slicks on all.
With the bead locks in the back.
This is all-wheel drive?
Yeah, they can come. That's X drive. It could be X drive. Let's see if it's X drive. Nah, rear wheel.
That's insane.
That's crazy. Oh, and here's the carbon interior. You guys can't see nothing. Big Supra. Got some Jap boys. I really hope y'all can't hear this music. More BMWs, BMWs. There's a bunch of oil down here. Man, someone's gonna have a bad day. Everything is nice. I like the yellow DRLs. I know it's played out, but I can appreciate them. Wow. Wow. Just wow. The OG 8 Series. That is clean. So a Tesla powered Benz.
Yeah, there's something that is essentially the alternator of the electric car. So it'll take the high voltage, step it down to 13 volts, and then run all the accessories and make it operate.
This is that. Freaking gorgeous. With the BCs. I think this is just a, isn't this a slim body? This isn't like a Z06 or a Grand Sport. This is a regular one, but it looks good. S14. Oh, this color on this Porsche, bro. IS G82 or G87. It already has condensation in the headlight. What the heck? Wow. R33 just pulled up. Evo. Big single turbo on the G80. Intake headlight. Is it an X drive? Let's see, ladies and gentlemen, what's your guess? What's your guess? X drive. That's nasty. From the color, everything is nasty. There's the hardware. This is my favorite. This is my favorite here. Favorite G80, hands down. G80 looking good. And drive it again. M5. This is the one with the V10, right? Wait, it's supercharged? Hold on. Twin supercharged M5. So this has the V10. V10 and it's twin supercharged. This goes dumb. Dumb. This, hold on. This one right here, if they would just bring it up, you know, bring it back to how it looks and how it's supposed to look, nice and clean. Black Panther on it. But no, nobody understands how fire this is. What the heck?
I like that frost.
This is beautiful. America, y'all. America. You hear that? That's America, y'all. Good old America. Y'all Eagles. Dropping like crazy. America. Oh, shit. America about to kill me. Listen to this all day. I missed it, y'all. I missed it. I'm sorry. I missed it. Damn. Damn. Should have been on it. Oh, you can smell it. Ooh. Nothing like a chopping out of us. It's a really good turnout. I like it. I mean, there's a lot of diversity. There's a lot of different cars here. And, you know, it's hard. I know y'all not seeing my face much this time. You know, it's been a while since I've... Okay, heard you. I guess that's his way of telling me to move out the way. If y'all not familiar with this, the doors go down in the car. Oh, dang, look at the seats. This is Alpina. What the she just moved. Bro, when we're walking up here, y'all, when we're walking up here to go see the car, she had just pulled over to say hi, how is that next thing? And now she in the car with the dude? Yo, let me find out, is that easy? Let me find out. Solid day, real solid day. Today we're supposed to be, oh, Jeff, he was saying bye. Yeah, today, so it's actually a two-part meet. So like, some people are meeting up here. Oh, hold on, GT. so good.
CS, right? Where's the 4 Series like? Maybe some BMW sliding action. Right next to the cop.
Shout out to these guys. Give us free mode. Yeah. Shout out to them. Y'all need an engine? Go ahead. Not gonna lie, this was a really good car show. BMW guys are toxic. BMW guys are some of the funniest, worst, and best people ever. And that's probably like not even like crazy.
Dude, it sounds like a... Dude, that thing sounds like a...
Yeah, that's that V10. Them M5s fucking go crazy. Oh, that's homeboy. Well damn. Well damn. Whew. All right, well, I think that's about it. I think everybody's done. We're going to the next spot, but that's gonna be another video for y'all. You know I gotta squeeze it out of y'all. So y'all stay tuned, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.